Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today I would like fix this my XD1150 ACER processor. It's a DLP1 and what is wrong, actually giving the wrong color, because last time when I touched it I actually moved this and probably the inside is to move the color wheel. That means I need to open it and also clean, because I would like use it again for watching movie tonight probably, or something like that, or next day. I still got another free projector, but I want to use especially this one because it's alright for this room and I need to stay on this room, that's the reason. Okay, let's go have a look inside and try find it why is this color wheel is move, and first clean the projector and do all I need. First of all, we'll clean this. Open it over here. Okay. Actually, I need the face just clip somewhere, and it's been already opened before, but here's two screws. And two VGA each. Okay. This projector been long time ago, also the drop, and you can see the drop is here, but yeah, that's not important. Okay. Unplug flex. No color wheel is here. Okay, I don't need to unplug this first because the color wheel is actually here. And it looks alright. That means all the reason why it's probably scratch on the start that send the position is, yeah, it's this. So I can stick this with the tape on this side and that should be alright. Yeah, that will be probably the main fault. Okay, this we can put this back, we don't need it. you wanna stick somewhere near the lamp on the projector, definitely use the heat resistant tile, which is this one. Okay. That should be fine. Now I will tape this as well. I'm sure. The reason I use the it is broken. I want to be sure it's held in position. I know it's definitely not, but it's for home. And for this room, my studio use, it's alright. I'm sure we'll be right. But one more screw, let's go here. That's it. Hopefully you like it. And now I will need a switch on and set up the color. Okay, and plug in and to see if it's still working. Okay, we plug in also the VGA cable and I'll switch on the PC. And we have a black and white color. Okay, now we need to go to service menu, and that's how we will be do. It's a power, left, left, and menu button. Okay. Power, left, left, menu button. Here we go. We got a service menu, and now I will set up the colors on the. Let me just go on the color button and change the color calibration. And you can see you can change the color index. We'll be move it till we find the right color. I think I'm gonna go to another side. Okay, that's me. Other side. Okay, this is how I set up. That should be alright. There is a green and blue on the top, and yeah, should be alright, but still it's too much daylight inside the zoom. But once it's going dark, the picture will be better. I'm sure we'll be alright. Hopefully you like it, and that's how you need to set up the color wheel. It will be remember this value while you're switching on, don't worry. And click like, subscribe, and stay on my channel.